Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level in your car. We'll see, this is the engine oil cap where we pour the engine oil, and this yellow thing is the dipstick. So I'm going to take the dipstick out, and as you can see there are two dots here, one here, one here. This one is the minimum level and this one is the maximum level. The oil should be in between minimum and maximum. If it is below the minimum, then it's filled, so you have to fill the oil, and it is above the maximum, it's all filled, you have to take out some oil from the engine oil pan. So let's clean it up and see what this engine has. As you can see, the engine oil level here is above the maximum, so it's a little bit oil filled. So yeah, that's how you have to check the engine oil in a car. So let's put it back. Thank you.